Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and one of the most important things in my kitchen are a good pair of kitchen shears. So I want to show you these. These are from J.A. Henckels, and these are some multi-purpose kitchen shears, and they are awesome. So tons of things I love about them. They are definitely made from a high quality stainless steel, and they are corrosion resistant. The scissors themselves are very, very sharp. They cut super smoothly. You can use these to cut a variety of things, anything from paper to poultry. There's really no limits. They're super, super strong and tough. They also have a bottle opener here and a little nutcracker area here. So the handles are super comfortable. They're really nice and easy to hold. And the reason that I got these is because I have had the same pair of these right here for 17 years. I got these when I got married and they have held up super, super well. The only thing that has happened is this little blue piece has fallen off. So now I have kind of used these more as like a utility scissors, and I don't really necessarily want them touching food. So I've got a kitchen set now and a more utility set. So I can attest to the fact that these scissors are going to last you a long time. The other ones have lasted for so long and they're still going strong. So I would 100% recommend these. They're amazing, and that's my point of view.